Another key thing to consider with a website design is pictures. Pictures are worth 1,000 words. And if you have pixelated, bad quality pictures, that's exactly what you're going to pass along to your visitors. You need to have good photos, and good photos are not cheap. You may think, how do I get photos on my website? How do designers come up with these photos for my website? Well, photos are really expensive. And yes, you can go to Google Images and steal photos, which again infringes on copyright, but people still do that because they want to meet budgets. In your case, unless you're going to take your own custom professional photos, you need to buy them. There are a lot of companies who sell photos. You have iStock Photo. There's special companies that deal specifically for certain photos, such as automotive or whatever the industry is, and photos are expensive. They can range from $10 per photo to $40 per photo or more. So it actually might make sense to invest into a really good camera and a photo shoot set to take your own photos. But taking photos is not the only thing. After you take a photo, it still needs to be photoshopped, background removed, lighting fixed, and so on. So you still need a graphic designer to do all the touch-up work on the photo to make it look really good. Product photos are very important. If you have bad quality product photos, forget about it. You're not going to make the conversions you think you will. Weapon-R, which is an air intake automotive performance company, invested in professional photos. And let me tell you, when I was selling their products in 2005 on my retail automotive website, sales just skyrocketed. Literally. After I updated the photos, it was night and day. And if you take a look at some of their photos, they are really good studio quality pictures. They have very fine detail of their product, which also appeals to the customers that this is a high quality product because they can see all the fine details of it. If they had a really bad pixelated image, and especially a general image that would not be for every single product, they would not get the same sales they get today for their product line. So it's very important that you either get really good quality images or you make them or buy them yourself and use them on your website, not only for the graphics but also for the products. Graphics, though, is very important because it's all over the site. Your header, your buttons, your whole theme all has to do with graphics. So you invest one time every few years and you get really unique graphics on your website.